Hey there, buddy. Today we're going to be making the side lock for the mini lathe. I'll be using an existing hole and a 1/4 inch flat bar. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is find the measurement in between, which is inch and 9/16 and 1 inch. So I'm going to transfer those measurements to the flat bar and I'll be right back. Alright, I went ahead and marked it. I don't know how I see that, but I'm going to go ahead and cut them off camera. Alright everybody, off camera I went ahead and cut it out and I centered it, and next I'm going to drill and tap the holes. I'm going to show you how I do that. Alright, to figure out where I'm going to put the screws, I'm thinking I'm going to come down 3/8 and come in 1/4. And for the center screw, I'm come in about 1/2 inch from each side. So what I'm going to do is take a black marker and paint it black. While I let that dry, I'm going to grab my digital calipers. Take my ruler, come in, close enough. Take it, describe the line, describe the line. And next one 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to come down 3/8. Close enough. The center one is 1 1/4 inch. So close enough. Take transfer punch. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and drill these holes. Got a 12 by 24 screw that I'm going to put into here. So I'm going to drill the holes to 3/16 on the top and maybe 1/8 or so on the bottom plate. So I'll be right back. Alright, off camera, I went ahead and drilled the holes and tapped them and countersunk. So now time to put them together and install it on the lathe. First things first, put the screws in. Now all that's left to do is install it onto the lathe. So, be right back. All that's left to do now is to drill the hole at the size of the screw. Then I'm going to drill it out the size of the head of the screw to make it flush. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. So, be right back. Alright, I got the hole drilled. Now the screw is flush. All that's left to do now is install it and see if it works. As you can see, it's locked and don't move. So I'm gonna get something hooked up on the 4-jaw chuck to show that it works, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got everything centered up. Time to lock it. First I'm gonna get to where it's touching off. Tighten it down. Alright. As you can see, works perfect. No more rounded sides. So, thanks for watching.